Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting right away. Open Contacts or the phone app and find the contact. Once you've located it, tap Edit in the upper right to unlock every field. You can change name, company, phone numbers, email, and add photo or ringtone. Make sure to scroll. Some fields hide under Add field. If this is your My Card, you're editing your personal identity, which syncs with iCloud if enabled, so changes can appear across devices. Now move to the specific fields you want to alter. Now focus on the middle work. Change names, company, job title, and phonetic spelling so Siri and apps pronounce and sort correctly. Tap any phone or email to edit numbers, then use existing labels or create a custom label for clarity. To add a picture, tap Edit Photo. Choose Camera, Photos, or Memoji and reposition the crop. Once done, consider adding a social profile or URL using Add field. That keeps contact apps and messages. Finish by tapping Done to commit every change. Then open Messages or FaceTime to confirm updates show there too. If you need others to have the new info, use Share Contact and choose AirDrop, Message, or Mail. If edits don't appear on another device, make sure iCloud Contacts is enabled in Settings under your Apple ID. Toggle it off and on to force a sync. As a final check, reboot the phone and retry. That often clears lingering sync or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.